The Grinder by Technoglass gives you state-of-the-art technology that enables you to grind glass chip-free and easily, all day long. But there is one important maintenance task that you must perform periodically, and that is to empty and clean the water tray. Now, the entire tray can be lifted off and taken to the sink to dump, but you have to remove the quick fit bit and the LumaShield mount cap first. So remove the LumaShield mount cap, then flip the lock tab to remove the quick fit bit. Then lift the tray straight up. Now, be very careful. If you lift the tray up this way, a lot of water is going to spill out onto the grinder base, and it will get down into the motor housing. This is not the right way to do it. Simply lift it straight up, then carry it carefully over to your sink and dump it into the sink, just like this. Then you can remove the grid surface and clean the tray bottom easily and quickly. That's the right way to do it. And here's the absolutely wrong way to do it. Do not bring your entire grinder over to the sink and dump it out like this. You're going to get water into the motor housing for sure. And you absolutely would not spray the top of the base this way to try to clean it off, because you're going to get water into the base this way as well. And for pretty obvious reasons, you would never spray the back of your base this way, because water is going to get into those cooling vents and into the motor housing, and that will be disastrous. All you really need to do is use a nice soft cloth and wipe the base this way. Just gently wipe it off, clean off any dirty areas, and you have it. And you'll be grinding again in no time flat. So just to review, always remove the LumaShield mount cap and the quick fit bit. Then carefully lift the tray straight up and carry it to the sink to empty the contents. Then use a dry cloth to clean off any remaining residue. Now all you have to do is reassemble and you're good to go. The Grinder, state-of-the-art technology from Technoglass.